Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unlocking the phone and opening settings to security or biometrics. You need an existing PIN, pattern, or password. Tap Fingerprint, confirm your lock method, then choose Add Fingerprint. Now press and lift the same finger several times, adjusting placement each press so the sensor reads different edges. This trains the sensor to recognize partial prints. Once you feel the phone vibrate, change angles slowly. Make sure your finger and sensor are clean and dry to avoid failed reads during enrollment. Once the initial scans register, continue by filling in missing areas. Include the fingertip, pad, and left and right edges so the sensor has comprehensive data. Add at least one alternate finger now. You will thank yourself if one hand is occupied. Also save a secure backup PIN or password in case the sensor fails. After successful enrollment, name each fingerprint for easy management and enable fingerprint features like screen unlock and payments. These steps reduce false rejects and speed up everyday access. You finish by testing unlock reliability across typical grips and while the device is on a flat surface or held. If recognition seems slow or inconsistent, delete and re-register the problematic fingerprint with better angle coverage. Aim for a high recognition rate. If problems persist, clean the sensor and your finger, reboot, and try again. As a last resort, boot into safe mode or update the system software because drivers can affect performance. One key tip: re-enroll prints after major OS updates to avoid compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.